I say, because I'm from Scotland, I say wee instead of small all the time. So, do you want to do it? And then if everyone says what she's done wrong, no. We'll do it first and see where we go. But you can ask questions, and you may well do it slightly differently from what I do as well. So don't worry. Okay, there you go. There's your. So first of all, just to start with, what I was saying, what we always want to do is you want to give the patient, you want to give them good instructions. Yeah. So what instructions are you going to give? Right, what we'll do is we'll just assume myopia, I'll take the glasses off. Okay, you don't need to have glasses on normally when you're doing the motility test. So often they can't see properly, you know, for the train getting on the road and everything. So you don't want the glasses on really. There is occasions when you might, but rarely. You can see the corneal reflex, okay? Because then the idea is if you move, and I know it can be difficult depending on how bright the room you're in is, and I know you can't control that all the time, but what you do is you follow the corneal reflex, and then you know how far you can elevate before once one of them disappears, it means they're not going to see double anymore, okay? The other part of it's just, and you did say some instructions there, but I would be much more, say exactly what the instructions are. Keep your head still and follow the light with my eyes. And you'd also want to tell them if they just get to say if they see double, or if there's any pain as well, because sometimes, usually if you've got a mechanical kind of deviation, you get some pain as well. So that you can see sometimes they're not going to like it. Okay, so go slightly further out. Okay, just use corneal reflex. And then keep your head still again and just follow that. And keep moving. Double. Again, just go slowly up like that, and you were good in terms of the right speed and everything. So, and just do that. I wouldn't do the whole thing, but you kind of get the idea. The next part of this though is that if you did say it was double, what would you then do?
Which side?
Right. So, we'll get them to pretend you've seen double. Okay. So, shall we say up here? Start with up here. Keep looking, keep working. Really look high. Okay. So if you did see double up there, you've then got to ask about the doubling. Okay. So remember from our from that diagram there, if you're looking up there, that's the dextral elevation. It's going through the right superior rectus or the left inferior oblique. That's the problem. Okay, if it gets double up there. Now, how to tell the difference is if it was the right superior rectus that was the problem, then if it's the right superior rectus that's the problem, as you're looking up, what will happen is the right superior rectus, that eye, will be lower than this eye, the left eye, okay? So that eye will be lower, and so the way to test whether that's the case is if you do the cover test, then what you should see is this eye would then move up to take fixation, and you cover that one would move down. Because the left inferior oblique, if the right superior rectus was underacting, you'd get an overaction of the left superior oblique. So the right eye's moving up, it's going in as well, and the left eye's moving down and out, but he's kind of got this movement. But what that means is that the right eye is lower than the left eye. And so it's the right eye that's underacting, and so it's your right eye.